Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today's project is pretty simple. It is a pillow box, but the difference with this one is that I've also made an insert so that it's suitable for if you're giving a necklace. So pillow boxes are pretty easy. The file, when you download it, has got all the score marks on it, and it has the hole for the window. So if you don't want a window in it, just don't cut that bit out. Now when I do a file, what I do is I make my lines so that they are score lines by doing them as drawing lines, which means with an FCM file, if you import it, it will be set to draw. If it's an SVG, then you have to set whatever you want, whether it's draw lines or cut lines or whatever, you set it to whatever you're doing. Now the important thing with a pillow box is this crease here. Now although the crease is included in the file, what you need to do first of all is to join the sides of the box together. Now I suggest using either a very strong glue or a very reliable tape. I have found in the past that some tape just doesn't stay stuck together, particularly when it has some opposing force on it. So the reason why you want to do these little curves here as a score line is so that they are easy enough to fold, and obviously, like other boxes, that's the reason. But you need to join the sides first for this one. If you try to crease these lines manually before you've assembled the box, you'll find it much harder. So all you do is you press on the sides and then you press on these little edges here, and without too much fuss, it will actually create the pillow for you. So that's the outside of the box. And here is the inside portion that I have made. Now I have adjusted the file a little bit because it was a little bit too wide when I first cut it. It has notches for the chain of the necklace. I have included a hole here so that you can put a rivet in if you so desire, and add some ribbon to that. And these flaps here have a purpose. When you put your pendant on here, you can then fold this back and stick this in place around the rest of the chain to hold it, so that it doesn't get caught on the inside the box or just generally rattle around. My other tip would be, if you're doing this with a pendant, is to either put a little blob of tack it over and over on here and allow it to dry, or to use a sticky glue dot to put your pendant in place where you want it and ensure that it doesn't move around. Once you've done that, you can easily slot this inside piece in because those little tabs won't be in the way. And you can either fold this in and leave the ribbon sticking out. So you could, for example, hang it up on a tree if it's not too heavy. Or you can tuck it in and keep it hidden until someone opens the box. It's up to you. So there we are, a pendant or necklace pillow box with the insert. A great idea if you want to send homemade gifts, or indeed if you want to buy something that didn't come with a fancy box but you just want it to look a little bit nicer. What I tend to do with this sort of thing is use patterned card that I wouldn't possibly use for creating cards normally or gift tags. So it's a great way of using up cardstock that you might otherwise leave unused. So that's it, a very quick video today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Take care now.